Here's the presidential seal of the United States. Let's make this look as if it's made of wood. We've got a piece of wood here. We want to make it fit the sign. So hold Command or Control and click on the thumbnail of the sign layer. Now inverse that selection so that everything else is selected and delete. Now the wood matches the sign. We'll add some beveling to this piece of wood. Choose Bevel and Emboss, and let's add a bevel of around 15 pixels to this. Now we want to treat the sign. Hide the wood layer for the moment. Load up the area of the sign again, and let's copy this using Command-C or Control-C. Switch to the Channels palette and click the icon at the bottom to make a new channel. And you can see that our selection remains visible. So when we now paste, this version of the sign is pasted in grayscale exactly on top of the original. Let's return to our layers and have a look at the wood. We can load that channel as a selection, either by pressing Option Command 4 or Alt Control 4, or by holding Command or Control and clicking on its thumbnail. Let's use Command J, Control J, to make a new layer from this selection. And it appears with the same layer effects as we'd previously applied to the wood. That's much too blurry here, so let's adjust it. Double-click it to bring up the dialog, and let's reduce the size from 15 to about 3 pixels, and we can see the difference quite clearly. It's much crisper, but we want it deeper. So let's increase the depth to, say, around 200%. Now we have the impression of our lettering being carved into the sign, and of the row of stars and the eagle being raised above it. Now we'll take the original seal and drag it to the top of the layer stack. And there it is on top. When we change the mode of this from normal to soft light, we can see the wood effect through it for quite a spectacular result.